the setup on this one, mate?
It's the RMS 1000 9569.
Oh, okay.
Iroz 1000.
Pushing out what power? What?
Should be around 950.
Have you been down here before or not? I've not seen the car on the track before.
Been it up.
What's your best time at the moment?
9.5.
9. And what power was that when it did that?
That was at 920.
So you got a little bit more power, so hoping for a
bit more, hopefully.
You get into the 8s or just the very low 9s?
9.2,
9.2, yeah. High 150s, yeah?
High 150s, yeah.
Alright, stay safe, have a good run, yeah?
Thank you.
Iroz Motorsport, nice looking car. Another set of lightweight seats in there, look at them. Yeah, I like them. They're nice, all stripped out in the back.